Third question, a bus covers a distance of 90 km at a uniform speed. So I don't know my speed, so that is x. Whose distance is that? So d is at 90 km. Okay, had the speed been 15 km per hour more. So first time having a x speed, the next what they mentioned, more the speed is 15 km, so x plus 15 km. Okay, so it would have take 30 minutes less for the journey. So the normal speed is by x. So if you increase your speed 15 km, so x plus 15 km for the x is exceeding your speed. So your before the journey, before 30 minutes, you reach it to the journey. So find the original speed of the bus. So they are asking what is the original speed of the bus. Okay, that's only they are asking. So now we are solve the problem. So what they given? So I am taking the speed is okay. Let the uniform speed is, let the uniform speed be x. Okay, whose distance is 90 km. Okay, whose distance is what they given? Whose distance is a 90 km they given. Okay, so whose distance is a 90 km, right? Then what they mention, so I am taking, so I am having a two difference, right? So what's the formula for this distance travel? So distance time taken equal to distance by speed. Okay, first time what they given, so I am taking that is my t1, whose distance is what? 90, whose speed is x. So first one. Then next what they mention, add the speed x plus, means add the speed 15 km per hour more. Okay, so the next let the speed be x plus 15, whose distance is same 90 km only. So this t is equal to what? T2. So T2 is equal to 90 by x plus 15. So this is equation 2. Then what they mention? So 30 minutes less for the journey. So what they mention? If you're rising your speed, your time is before reduced to reach that part. So for my convenient, what I am going to do means T1 and T2 is equal to, so T1 minus T2. So the T2 is reducing the difference between these two. What's the timing? 30 minutes. Correct. So the difference with the first speed is 90 by x. So you are traveling the uniform speed is a T1. So whose T2 time will be differ, right? That's a lower comparatively T1 lower. So what is the difference between this? So obviously T1 is a bigger timer. T1 taking a big time, T2 taking a small, lesser time. So T1 minus T2 equal to 30 minutes savings, right? So normally how it did, it should be converted into hours. So T1 minus T2 is equal to 30 by 60. So if you are dividing means, right, by 60. So the hour. So what we having? So what's the T1 value? 90 by x minus what's the T2 value? 90 by x plus 15. We already did like this sum. So if you're cancelling this 1 by 2, right? Then we will solve this sum. So x plus 15 into 90 minus 90 into x, taking LCM. So x into x plus 15 equal to 1 by 2. So multiply this term into this term, 90x plus 15 into 90, so obviously 0. 9 5s are 45, so balance 4. 9 1s are 9 plus 4, 135, right? So I am getting a 1350 minus 90x. So cross x into x plus 15 by 2. In this place, multiplying into 2. Multiply into 2, 180x. Multiply with this term, 0, 0, balance 1, 6. 6 into 1, 6 plus 1, 7. 270. So minus 9x equal to, multiply this, x square plus 15x. So I want to solve this. So what can I do in this place? So 180 minus, right, 2700. So adding this, so obviously positive 90x equal to x square plus 15x, right? So finally what we get, moving to the, in this place we already cancelled, it's also multiplying into 2, so this and this will get cancelled, so I don't have this value, right? So what I am having, 27. So in this place also you will cancel, ma'am, I forgot to cancel, so taking cross multiply, so only multiply this term, that's also okay, that will be nice, and that will be easy to solve. Then what we have, so x square, then plus 15x equal to 2700 square plus 15x minus 2700 equal to 0, right? This only they asked to find out what, find out the original speed only they asking, so we are going to find out yes. So what's the original speed? Okay, so you can use that previous method also, you take A, B, C also, or using a factorization also, no problem for this. Okay, so 2700 factorize first 2, so okay 3, so 3 means 900, again 3, 300, 300, then 2, again 2, 5, right? 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 into 5, 60, 3 3s are 9, 9 45, 5, so I am getting a 15, right? So I can take 2700 from LCM. Okay, by using this you can find out, otherwise put A equal to 1, B equal to 15, C equal to minus 270, and that's x is equal to minus b plus or minus. This method also okay. Okay, this method also okay, no problem. Okay, so 60 minus 45 I am getting this. So x square plus 60x minus 45 minus 2770 equal to, if you are having a coefficient 1 means you can directly write your answer. I already told, right, x plus 60 and x minus 45, I already told, directly you will write that answer, no worry about this, and you can directly write. So x plus 60 equal to 0, x minus 45 equal to 0, so x is equal to minus 60, x is equal to 45. So therefore the negative value should be neglected. The negative value is neglected then x equal to 45, therefore the original speed of x is equal to 45 kilometer per hour, because the speed should be in hour. That's why we are converted in time as hour. Okay, that's it.